Yes.
Yeah.
Light blue.
Gorgeous. And I'm standing about. That wave hit me. That was good. This is amazing. Is it coming? Tell me when one's coming.
It's more fun if I don't tell you when they're coming.
It's so pretty. The girls are out here too. Where's the girls?
They're over to your right.
We got some boogie boards, so I'm gonna go out to that anyway, it's gorgeous. The sun is shining. It smells like the ocean. Where's that?
I'm here.
Am I looking at you?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, loving it. We're gonna go deeper out in the water and ride some waves, jump some waves, and enjoy this beautiful day. All right, love you guys. Aloha.